Hi everyone, my name is Banu and welcome back to Space Everyday. Today we are going to learn about Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest and the fifth planet from the Sun in the solar system. Jupiter is one of the outer planets, also called as the gas giants in the solar system. There are four gas giants in the solar system, namely Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. We will learn about the other planets in future episodes. When gravity pulled gas and dust together, Jupiter formed. Just like the other inner planets, Jupiter was formed about 4.5 billion years ago. Until now, scientists did not discover any life on Jupiter because it is too cold there and there is no solid surface. Yes, Jupiter does not have a solid surface because it is made up of almost only gases. The average distance between the Sun and Jupiter is 5.2 astronomical units. Jupiter has 79 known moons. There might be more moons, but we only discovered 79 until now. Out of the 79 moons, 53 have names and the other 26 moons have no names. The four main satellites of Jupiter are Ganymede, Io, Europa and Callisto. These moons of Jupiter were discovered by Galileo Galilei. They are also called the Galilean moons. Now let's learn briefly about each moon. Ganymede. Ganymede is Jupiter's largest moon as well as the largest moon in the solar system. It is about 5,628 kilometers in diameter, which is larger than the diameter of Mercury. So, if it orbited the Sun instead of Jupiter, it would be considered a planet itself. Though it is larger than Mercury, it is about 2 times less massive than Mercury. It is 1,070,000 kilometers from Jupiter. Ganymede orbits Jupiter every 7.2 Earth days. Callisto. Callisto is Jupiter's second largest satellite and the third largest in our solar system. It is almost as big as Mercury, having only about 20 kilometers of difference. Callisto has the most cratered surface out of all other bodies in the solar system. It is 1,883,000 kilometers from Jupiter. Callisto takes about 16.7 Earth days to orbit Jupiter. Io. Io is Jupiter's third largest satellite and the fourth largest satellite in our solar system. Io is the most volcanically active in the solar system. Io was the first moon which was discovered after Earth's moon. It has mountains larger than Mount Everest. It is 422,000 kilometers above Jupiter. It orbits Jupiter in about 1.7 Earth days. Europa is Jupiter's fourth largest satellite and the fifth largest in the solar system. Europa is the smoothest object in the solar system, which means it mostly does not have mountains or craters. Scientists believe that there is a liquid ocean somewhere around 100 kilometers beneath the thick icy crust of Europa. Europa is 671,000 kilometers above Jupiter. It takes about 3.5 Earth days to orbit Jupiter once. All of the four moons we learnt about are tidally locked with Jupiter. This means only one side of the moon always faces Jupiter. Jupiter spins the fastest in the solar system, with each day lasting only 10 Earth hours. It takes Jupiter about 11.8 Earth years to orbit the Sun. Jupiter's diameter is about 139,820 kilometers. Jupiter is so big that it can fit about 1,300 Earths in it. Jupiter can also swallow all the planets and moons in the solar system, still having space for more. Jupiter weighs about 1.8 multiplied by 10 to the power 27 kg or about 318 million Earths. Now, let's learn about Jupiter's atmosphere. The atmosphere of Jupiter is 90% hydrogen. The remaining 10% is almost completely made up of helium, though there are small traces of other gases inside. That is it for today. Please like, share and subscribe for more. Thank you.